Hello friend, this is Pankaj. You watching Profit Tech on the YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can change the style of your contact form 7. Okay, so you might be have these basic contact form 7 installed on your WordPress website and you want to change the style like this. Okay, so if you want to change the styles, if you are visiting first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's start the video. Okay, to change the style of your contact form 7, first you need to visit my blog. Okay, here you can download each and everything, each file of the contact form 7 styles. First, you need to visit this website profittechno.com. Then you need to click on the blog page, and we have published this blog how to change the style of contact form 7. After click this, you will get this window, and here we have a 8 form styles. Okay friends, so let's talk about the style one. So this is the default styles when you publish the contact form 7. So this is the default style will become automatically, and if you want to change the style, the default style, you can change from this one. Okay, this is the compact styles. What is the difference between the default and compact styles? Okay, here you can see we have a disable the gap between the field. Okay, but in the default style you can see the gap over here. If you want to change the style, you can change, and you need to download this file. When you download this file, you can copy and paste the code on your contact form 7, and there you can apply, and the apply will be changes, and the contact form will be displayed like this. Okay, so let's move to the third style. So this style is basically designed for the travel agents and tour operator. Okay, so it will help to generate the lead from the website when the visitor will come to your to travel agent's website, and they can fill this form, and the travel agents can get interact directly with the customers. Okay, so if you want to change this style, you can simply download this style button, and you can copy and paste on your contact form 7, and you can change the basic contact form style to the travel agency inquiry form. Okay, so now move to the style 4. So this basically this contact form is designed for those website designers who want to display and who want to describe something about the contact form 7s. Like this is the website we have designed for our clients, and we have written something about the contact form 7, so they will be encouraged to write something, and they will be encouraged to send something. Okay, so if you want to use this style, you can simply use this style. You can download the notepad file, and you can copy and paste the code on your contact form 7 page, and simply you can apply these settings. Okay, so now move to the fifth option, visa inquiry option style. Okay, so this basically this contact form is designed for those customers who want to collect more information about what they are selling. So, okay, for examples, I have just given the name of the visa inquiry option styles. So this is you can see that we have a given the different categories: working visa, study visa, business visa, and tourist visa. This company is basically working for only visas. So anybody has an inquiry about the visas, they can select their whatever the visa they want, and they can submit the rest of the field, and they can send a message. Okay, so this fee, like this contact form, is designed for those who want to collect the more informations. If you want to apply this, you can simply download it and copy and paste on your contact form 7s, and the changes will be applied. Okay, now move to the 6 styles. So as you can see, this is just only simple inquire contact styles. It is similar to the default contact form style. You can see the default contact style we have. We have a full 4 field we have, but in this form we have disabled this one, the subject one. Okay, we have disabled the subject field. If you want to apply, you can apply. It's up to you. You can simply download it and copy and paste on your contact form 7s. Okay, so let's move to this style number 7. This is the footer newsletter we have. So this contact form is designed for those persons who want to collect the email address on their websites. Okay, with the users of email marketing tool, and this is designed for only those persons. If you want to use, you can simply download the code and you can paste on your contact form 7, and you can use it. Okay, so now we have a last contact form style, number 8. Okay, you can see this is the sidebar contact style. So this is the very most important contact form style. So it will definitely help you to increase the revenue, increase your sales. Okay, so you can use it on your any of the websites, right or left. You can use as a sidebar. Okay, so for example, so this is the website we are creating for our clients. So we are using this side, the sidebar on the right hand side on the blog page. Okay, you can use it from on the blog page, you can use it on the front page, and wherever you want to display, that is up to you. But it will definitely help to you increase the revenue of your customers. You can use it as per your requirement, as per the website requirement. Okay, so if you want to use this code, and simply you can download it and you can simply apply on your contact form 7 and you can use it. So friends, some of you might be not aware how you can apply these contact forms on your previous contact form 7. Okay, so this is very simple. You can do that. You can apply whichever the form you want to choose on the, I have given the each code on the every contact form 7 bottom. Okay, simply if you want to change these styles on your contact form 7, you can just click this button and you can download the notepad file, and you need to copy this code and you need to go to your WordPress file. Under the contact, you can see the these are contact form. Maybe you have only one contact form and you need to click on edit button. Okay, so when you click on edit button, you can see the code. This is the previous code. You need to delete this one and you need to copy, you need to paste this one which you have copied from the notepad file. Okay, so after paste it, you need to save it, and the changes will be applied and the contact form will be displayed on your screens. Okay, so this is how you can change the contact form 7s on your contact form pages. So friends, I hope you like my videos. If you like my video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.